Strong systems start with reliable components. Introducing the ATCAB Product Series by Atlas Metal, engineered for secure electrical connections across industries. Featuring cable glands, earthing accessories, cable lugs, conduit fittings, cable cleats, and cable ties for organized installations. Every component is manufactured from high-grade brass, stainless steel, and engineered materials built to perform across power plants, oil and gas, marine, railways, and heavy industries. Designed for secure electrical connections and simplified installation. Also, each product delivers safety, strength, and dependable long-term performance where it matters most. ATCAB by Atlas Metal, connections that power progress.